Want to stop getting calls or messages on your Apple Watch? By doing this, it can actually help you stay more focused and reduce distractions, especially when you're working, studying, sleeping, or just taking a break. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to avoid calls or messages in your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Method 1. Turn off notifications. First, open up the Watch app on our iPhone. Next, tap on Notifications. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Message First. Now tap Custom. Tap Notifications Off. Now go back. Tap Phone. Tap Custom. Now tap Notifications Off. Method 2. Turn on Do Not Disturb. Grab your Apple Watch. Tap on the side button to bring the control center. Now scroll down. Now tap on the moon icon. Then tap on Do Not Disturb. After the tap on, from now on, no one will reach you to disturb you. And this is how you can avoid calls or messages on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this useful. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Take care.